Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a flower with reverse flower dip technique. This is the technique that you pour your paints on, put your napkin on and then lift it to create a flower. I will use this flower shaped cup for pouring my paints on, and today I'm working on dry painted background. This is turquoise blue that I will use for my background, and normally when I do those I pour base coat on. Today let's try on the dry background, and I will use permanent violet, pearl white mixture of course, some carmine red, red violet, and some vermilion and maybe some yellow. So I will start with this purple first. Start pouring on, and this should be enough. Some pearl white for the lacing, hopefully. I will use just the dry napkin this time. Put it down. The other half. Oop. And I will squish this a little bit this time. I'm really not sure how this will work out. Grab the corners. And I'm not used to dry napkin. Just harder with the dry napkin, I think. Weird. Dry napkin was definitely not the best idea for me because I like the wet one more. Because I think that I have more control of lifting it. You see how it's just weird. Just don't feel that painting at all. Let's see. Some violet at the bottom, and I have some gold somewhere. Let me just use that gold too. Carmine. Turquoise. Just use up some colors, weird ones probably, together. Blue, pearl white, gold. Again. And this greenish blue. Some white again. Some carmine. Okay. I try again. Yeah, I'm happy with that now. So sometimes things just don't go as planned, but you don't need to give up. Sometimes you can still create something nice, and straight pours are definitely my go-to when you know, I just want to kind of save the paint that I already have on my canvas. Just my go-to technique. I'm not fan of this part here at all, but I think it's okay anyway. Yeah, Whew. So maybe some of you will say, this is not the video that I want to watch because, you know, it's not perfect. It's not that I did a perfect job at the flower dip or the second pour, but just don't give up. Yeah, I like that. So thanks for being here. Have a nice weekend, and I really appreciate if you made this to the end. So yeah, thank you and bye.